So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the choppy slow motion issue or how you can get the optical flow of Premiere Pro like effect, like the very smooth slow motion effect on the DaVinci. Now for example, if I've converted this video by going to the change speed to 50%, now the frame rates have definitely got decreased. Now in order to get that issue fixed of choppy frame rate, just simply select that specific video clip that you have just slowed down, and here in this section select the video here, and when you scroll down you'll see this option that says retime and scaling. Click over there, and under this section here you'll see this option that says retime process. Click over there and hit on this option of optical flow. Once you do it, now when you export the video it will automatically generate some frames using AI to fill in that gap in between the dropped frames, and it will export a very slow motion video with very smooth effect. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.